welcome back, Life Sciences. As I said to you, we're looking at lipids. I hope you, once again, just had a go and have a quick squiz what you have in your fridge. Okay, let's start with some questions on this section. All right, guys, let's have a look at this question. Okay, basically, we've got a table. There's 3 different cereals, cereal A, B, and C. They've got a whole lot of information there, and very important that each pack is 500 grams. All right, it's a box of cereal. Right, so now we've said here that there's a 15-year-old boy, and these are the symptoms that he is showing. His gums are bleeding, his nose is bleeding, and he's got sores on his skin. Right, so now if we have a look here, the first question, we're going to ask a purely, right, simple one. What are the monomers, or the building blocks of fat? Remember, 3 little pigs and the big bad wolf. So the answer was 3 fatty acids and the 1 glycerol. Right, remember we can ask a whole lot of questions, but we're concentrating on this fat. Okay, now we had the list of symptoms. He's got bleeding gums, he's got a nosebleed, and he's got sores on the skin. Right, so using the list of symptoms mentioned below, name a deficiency disease that the boy is suffering from. Guys, the nosebleed and the bleeding gums are a big giveaway because that means the blood vessels are not healthy. And what do we need for healthy blood vessels? We need vitamin C. So the chances are he's probably got a bit of scurvy there, you know, where the gums are not so healthy, etc. Okay, so now we're going to have a bit of a, right, what we have, a bit of a, how can I say, a calculation question. Now it says, calculate the percentage of vitamin C in cereal B. Now, if you have a look, you've got to go to vitamin C, right, and there is 30. Now, 30 what? Grams, guys, grams. And how many, what was the mass of the box? It was 500 grams. So 30 of the 500 is the percentage, right? And it's times by 100 if you want to get the percent. And I did this beforehand, so I don't have this miraculous brain. And your answer should have been 6. 6 what? Okay, percent. So there's 6% of vitamin C in cereal number B. Okay, a little bit of a calculation question there. Now you need to decide which cereal, A, B, or C, will be least suitable to the boy, right? So the one that he shouldn't have, give a reason for your answer. He has got scurvy. So we are looking for something with a high, all right? We want him to have something high, which is 60 would be the best. But what does the question say? It actually says to him, which one should he not take? And if we have a look here, 35, all right, grams here, and 30 grams of, so we worked out the percentage. This cereal B, he mustn't have. Why? It has too little vitamin C. Right, what do we want? It says here will be the least suitable, right, not suitable. So this is the one we definitely don't want him, all right, to take. Now we get to this diagram and we have a look at it, and it shows us this big thing that we get all scared of. But look what I do. 1 little pig, 2 little pig, 3 little pig. And the question says, all right, this is an organic molecule. So I'm thinking, I know this, there's 3 little pigs, right, 1 wolf. So I'm looking and thinking, okay, this is going to be a fat molecule. All right. So the question there, what is the name of this organic molecule? Guys, let's go for lipid, because that is the term that we use for a whole group, all right? Probably your teacher might accept fats and oil, but all right, that is okay. What are the monomers? Do you notice? All right, the same question again, and that is going to be the 3 fatty acids, right? Remember the little pigs, and the 1 glycerol. Okay, guys, study time. State 2 functions of this type of lipid in animals. There was lots. Let's go. We had about 5. Right. There was a reserve energy. This is where your studying comes in. This is where you need to know. What else did it help do? Right. It helped build our cell membranes. Right. What else did it do? It was underneath our skin. It was an insulator. It kept us warm. Right. What else? It's a hormone. Right. That helps us to keep our stress hormones, etc., and all of that nice and healthy. Okay, guys, those are just a few kind of questions that we can ask on the section. I hope that you, all right, enjoyed today's lesson. Go and look in your books. Go and look and see if you can find past papers and do more questions on this section. We will see you again next time. Bye-bye.